Mexico. The name itself conjures images of sun-drenched beaches, ancient ruins, and vibrant cities. But beyond the well-trodden tourist paths lies a different Mexico, a land of hidden gems and secret landscapes waiting to be discovered. These are the places where the soul of Mexico truly resonates, where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern life, and where every turn reveals a new adventure. Join me as we venture off the beaten path and uncover the magic of Mexico's lesser-known wonders. Just a stone's throw from the bustling metropolis of Mexico City lies Teotihuacan, a sprawling, ancient city shrouded in mystery. This enigmatic site, once a thriving metropolis, now stands as a testament to the ingenuity and artistry of its ancient inhabitants. While the pyramids of the sun and moon draw crowds, few venture beyond these iconic structures. Yet the true essence of Teotihuacan lies in its lesser-known areas, waiting to be discovered by the curious traveler. Explore the hidden corners of this UNESCO World Heritage Site, where every stone and pathway whispers tales of a bygone era. The city's layout, with its grid-like streets and vast plazas, reveals a sophisticated urban planning that rivals modern cities. Wander through the Palace of Quetzalpopatl, with its intricate feathered serpent carvings, a masterpiece of ancient art that showcases the skill and creativity of Teotihuacan's artisans. Each carving tells a story, a glimpse into the spiritual and cultural life of the city's inhabitants. Lose yourself in the labyrinthine residential complexes, where the daily lives of the ancient Teotihuacanos unfolded. These maze-like structures, with their interconnected rooms and courtyards, offer a fascinating insight into the communal living and architectural prowess of the time. Feel the energy of a civilization lost to time as you stand atop the Pyramid of the Moon, a vantage point that offers a breathtaking view of the entire city. From here, you can almost hear the echoes of ancient ceremonies and the bustling life that once filled the streets below. Gazing out over the Avenue of the Dead, one can't help but ponder the mysteries that still surround Teotihuacan. Who built this magnificent city? What led to its decline? As you walk along this ancient avenue, lined with temples and palaces, you become part of a timeless journey, connecting with the past and uncovering the secrets of Teotihuacan. Escape the crowds of Puerto Vallarta and discover the bohemian charm of San Pancho, a laid-back fishing village nestled along the Riviera Nayarit. Stroll along the pristine beach, where the rhythmic crashing of waves provides a soothing soundtrack. Explore the vibrant art scene, browse the colorful stalls of the local market, and savor fresh seafood at a beachfront restaurant. San Pancho is a place where time seems to slow down, inviting you to relax, recharge, and reconnect with nature. Deep in the heart of the Mexican jungle lies Las Pozas, a surrealist masterpiece created by the eccentric English poet Edward James. This magical garden is a fusion of nature and art, where concrete structures adorned with whimsical sculptures rise from the rainforest floor. Explore winding paths, discover hidden grottos, and marvel at the towering waterfalls cascading into turquoise pools. Las Pozas is a testament to the boundless creativity of the human spirit, and a place where reality seems to melt away. High in the mountains of central Mexico lies Guanajuato, a UNESCO World Heritage City renowned for its colorful colonial architecture and rich history. But beneath the surface lies a hidden world, a network of underground tunnels and streets that once served as drainage channels. Explore this subterranean labyrinth, discover hidden plazas and charming cafes, and learn about the city's fascinating past. Guanajuato is a city of secrets, where history and legend intertwine at every turn. The Yucatan Peninsula is home to a natural wonder unlike any other cenotes. These natural sinkholes, formed by the collapse of limestone bedrock, offer a glimpse into a mystical underworld. Don your snorkeling gear and dive into the crystal-clear waters, explore underwater caves adorned with stalactites and stalagmites, and swim alongside colorful tropical fish. The cenotes are sacred to the Maya people, believed to be portals to the underworld, and a swim in their refreshing waters is an unforgettable experience. Oaxaca's flavors, a culinary journey for the senses. No trip to Mexico is complete without indulging in its vibrant culinary scene, where the colors, aromas, and flavors come together to create an unforgettable experience. And Oaxaca is a foodie's paradise. The streets are lined with vendors offering a variety of mouth-watering dishes that reflect the region's rich cultural heritage. Venture beyond the typical tourist restaurants and discover the true flavors of Oaxacan cuisine. Here, traditional cooking techniques are passed down through generations, preserving the authenticity of each dish. Sample tlayudas, giant tortillas piled high with beans, cheese, and your choice of meat. These hearty, crispy delights are a staple in Oaxacan households and are perfect for sharing with friends and family. Savor the smoky flavor of mole negro, a rich dark sauce made from a blend of chilies, chocolate, and spices. This complex dish is often served over chicken or turkey and is a must-try for any visitor. And indulge in chapulines, toasted grasshoppers seasoned with chili and lime. These crunchy snacks are not only delicious, but also a great source of protein, offering a unique taste of Oaxacan street food. Oaxaca's cuisine is a celebration of fresh, local ingredients and ancient culinary traditions. The markets are brimming with vibrant produce, aromatic herbs, and exotic spices, all of which play a crucial role in the region's dishes. A true feast for the senses, Oaxacan culinary traditions are often celebrated during local festivals and village gatherings. These events are filled with music, dance, and of course, an abundance of food, showcasing the community's love for their culinary heritage. Don't forget to pair your meals with a glass of mezcal, Oaxaca's iconic spirit. Made from the agave plant, mezcal has a distinct smoky flavor that complements the region's cuisine perfectly. Whether you're exploring a bustling food festival or dining in a cozy family-run restaurant, the culinary journey through Oaxaca is sure to leave a lasting impression. Each bite tells a story, connecting you to the land and its people. So, immerse yourself in the flavors of Oaxaca, where every meal is an adventure and every dish is a testament to the region's rich culinary legacy. From street food to fine dining, Oaxaca offers a gastronomic experience like no other. As the sun sets over the city, the vibrant food scene continues to thrive, inviting you to discover more of its hidden gems. Oaxaca truly is a culinary journey for the senses, waiting to be explored. Yelapa, a coastal paradise frozen in time. Escape the hustle and bustle of modern life and step back in time in Yelapa, a secluded fishing village nestled on a pristine cove south of Puerto Vallarta. This hidden gem is a sanctuary for those seeking tranquility and a slower pace of life. The village, with its charming traditional boats and friendly locales, offers a unique glimpse into a world where time seems to stand still. Accessible only by boat, Yelapa offers a glimpse into a simpler way of life. The journey to Yelapa itself is an adventure as you glide over the sparkling waters of the Pacific Ocean, leaving the modern world behind. Upon arrival, you are greeted by the sight of colorful homes dotting the hillside and the sound of waves gently lapping against the shore. Relax on the golden sands of the beach, swim in the turquoise waters, and explore the lush jungle that surrounds the village. The beach is a haven for sunbathers and swimmers alike, with its warm, inviting waters and soft golden sand. For the more adventurous, the surrounding jungle offers a myriad of trails to explore, leading to hidden waterfalls and breathtaking viewpoints. With no cars or paved roads, Yelapa is a true paradise, a place to escape, unwind, and reconnect with nature. The absence of modern infrastructure means that the air is clean and the sounds of nature are uninterrupted. Here, you can truly disconnect from the digital world and immerse yourself in the natural beauty that surrounds you. Whether you're lounging on the beach, hiking through the jungle, or simply enjoying the peaceful ambience, Yelapa offers a unique and unforgettable experience. Real de Catorce, a ghost town whispering tales of silver. High in the mountains of San Luis Potosi lies Real de Catorce, a ghost town frozen in time. Once a bustling silver mining town, Real de Catorce was abandoned in the early 20th century when the mines ran dry. Today, its cobblestone streets and crumbling buildings whisper tales of a bygone era. Explore the abandoned mines, visit the historic church, and soak up the eerie atmosphere of this ghost town frozen in time. Embrace the unknown. Mexico awaits. Beyond the well-trodden paths, Mexico reveals its true soul. In hidden villages and ancient ruins, in surreal gardens and underwater caves, a world of adventure awaits. So embrace the unknown, step off the beaten path, and discover the magic of Mexico's hidden gems. Your adventure starts now.